As early as 4 in the morning, PNR passengers were already waiting for the gate to open at the PNR Tutuban station. They wanted to catch the first trip after the suspension of operations. There weren't too many passengers because of the short notice that the trains are now running again.
Hirap na rin kami sa pamasahe, 3 sakay. Ito, pagbukas ang tren, sakto lang sa trabaho namin.
Malaking ginawa, siyempre.
Bakit po?
Kasi nga yung mas mabilis yung yung biyahe ko, hindi na ako pasalin-salin, so hindi nakakapagod.
PNR will only run from Tutuban to Alabang and vice versa from 5 a.m. to 9 p.m. today. A safety inspection still has to be done for the rest of the route from Muntinlupa all the way to Calamba, Laguna. PNR has changed schedules. It now leaves the station every 34 minutes instead of 30 because of speed limits. The trains travel only at 25 kilometers per hour from EDSA to FTI station, where a lot of repair work on the tracks was done. The fastest train runs at 40 kilometers per hour. 6 trains are operating with 46 trips that can carry 70,000 passengers. Transportation Secretary June Abaya and PNR officials took the train today to check the situation at the tracks.
Ang test sa isang tren ay yung baso ng tubig o water bottle. Kapag hindi natumba yan at stable enough siya, then okay yun ang quick rule of thumb. So sinusubukan ko, wala tayong water bottle, but at least kung kaya ka naman, then stable enough, then that's reflection na nag-improve yung stability ng tren.
Passengers noted improvements.
Dati talagang yan yung muyog-yog. Ngayon hindi.
Naglagay sila ng upuan dito, tapos doon. Yung plano nila dun sa pag-extension ng waiting shed.
During the months of suspended operations, the trains and PNR tracks went through repairs and rehabilitation, including rail replacement and installation of anti-theft bolts to prevent pilferage. Trains were repainted and underwent maintained check. The PNR stopped its operations on May 5 after one of its trains derailed in April. Third-party consultant TUV Rhineland then issued a safety certification after PNR met its requirements.
Ngayon, I'm very much confident. As a matter of fact, last month ko pa gustong patakbuhin
PNR General Manager Joseph Alan Dilay says there is no fare hike at the moment, but a proposal for an increase is under review. Further work on the train systems, such as roof and platform extension, will be done, and the line will eventually be extended to Matnog, Sorsogon. Patricia De Leon, CNN Philippines.